Designed for artists, technologists, and creative producers, the music production and sound design degree at dBs is for those who are interested in sound design, audio programming, and pushing the creative potential of technology. During the degree, you'll develop advanced skills in music production, coding, synthesis, and sound design, supported by hands-on projects and industry-focused learning. You'll explore key areas of practice including audio programming fundamentals, location recording, Foley, and creative coding, and work on briefs that reflect real-world workflows, gaining experience in developing original tools, interactive sound systems, and sound design for various media. In your first year, you'll build a strong foundation in music production, synthesis, sound design, and audio programming. You'll explore essential skills in location recording and Foley, alongside modules focused on mixing and sound design. This year introduces key tools, workflows, and concepts, supporting your development of a unique creative voice through practical projects and experimentation. In Year 2, you'll deepen your skills in creative coding, sound design, and production with core modules such as creative coding and sound design and middleware, alongside optional modules in hardware production, immersive audio, advanced mixing and mastering, integrated performance technologies, and marketing and promotion. Your final year focuses on creative independence, professional readiness, and innovation. You'll complete 2 major self-directed projects, one focused on building an industry-facing portfolio that showcases your strengths in sound design, coding, and production, and another that explores new ideas or technologies in your chosen area of practice. You'll also be able to further shape your experience through additional optional modules in music education, leadership, or collaborative creative practice. By the end of this degree in music production and sound design, you'll be well prepared to contribute meaningfully to the music industry and shape the future of sound and audio experiences within a variety of contexts.